Hey guys, welcome back. It's been a while and I've been dying to get out here and do this project, but it's like every other week there's just something that just comes up and then the next day it starts to rain. So finally got a break in the weather. I was going to stumble out here yesterday or the day before and start doing this project, but today I finally have the motivation to finally get out here and get this project started. Or at least attempt to, because honestly guys, this is a big project for myself and I to do by myself without any instructions on how to do this. So this is going to be all guesswork. So today I'm going to be bringing you guys along. We're going to pull these pins out, get this door off, and replace this hinge. That's my only goal for today. If I get everything apart and this is still functionable, I may just keep it on there, but my end goal is to get this off and replace it. So I've got, this is the door side and this is the van side. So if I can get that replaced and that replaced, and if I damage the other one down below, I can replace it. But I do not have the lower hinge to this door, and I'm not spending $300 on something I paid $100 for. So if I can find another part to replace this one, maybe before these hinges all rust up, I can pop in, replace that hinge, and then I'll have a fully functioning door. And then maybe in the future, I can start looking for these replacements as well. But my only goal is to get a functioning door right now, because I'm super antsy to get in this thing. I should have been in this thing 2 months ago. I've been procrastinating, and then I end up finding other projects like putting my car away. So my car's all put away, got some fuel stabilizer in the gas tank. She's got a full tank, fresh oil. She's plugged in. She's got a battery maintainer on it. But anyways, I digress. Let's start this project, get this door off. At least we're in a locked gate. So if I don't end up finishing it today, I can finish it tomorrow. So I did find this online, so we're gonna give it a try. This is a hinge puller. The only problem is the actual pin. You don't slide it through this hole here. It doesn't fit. But what I think is once you've got the pin in the device, then we can hammer on this part of the device to pop the pin out. So let's see if it was worth the 50 bucks. My thumb. Let's just say I'm not taking any chances. I'm getting close to this window and I don't like it. Yeah, that hinge is seized right here. So it's definitely gonna have to go. But the door has been separated from this hinge. It's just free hanging here. So if I can get this one unlocked, then we're good to go. I have made a small, tiny gap. You can kind of see, but it ain't much. It's not even 1 millimeter. So I've got, I don't know, 20 plus millimeters to go. Maybe 15. I don't know. Oh man, I am definitely in over my head now. Yeah, like I said, if I can't get this pin out just by using this chisel and hammer, then I'll probably end up taking it to the mechanic shop because I can't get it out. I may end up just paying them the rest of it, the cost to finish the project up. Yeah, we'll see. Maybe we'll take it down there and see what they say. Maybe they have some insight on a solution to my problem. Yeah. All right, catch you in a few. All right, I'm stuck still in the same position I was like an hour ago. I have yet to move it any. So at this point in time, I hopped on the internet, contacted Amazon, and I'm gonna see if I can pick up that extra part, which is this guy right here. So if I can find this part for the bottom for the right price, I'm just gonna buy it, get it painted up, and then that way we can just take the angle grinder and we're just gonna chop this right off, because I can't seem to get that pin out of that with that tool or any other tool that I have at my disposal. So I think my next point in this project is either I take it to the shop, the mechanic shop, and they fix it, or I buy that other part, use the angle grinder, cut it off, get rid of all of this old stuff, put brand new stuff on, which means we'll be doing some painting in the cold, which sucks, but at least we can take it inside to cure, so hopefully it won't chip or break or anything like that, rust early. But I think that's it. So I'm gonna have to wait a week until Amazon gets back to me so that we can find that specific part. So yeah, I'm stuck here, guys. I'm stuck without a van. I don't know what life has in store for me, but it was never my intention to be stuck in the backyard of my parents' house with a broken van. So hopefully we can get this fixed and up and running, so we can get back on the road again before the snow starts flying. But at this point, I don't think I'm going to be putting that boat in the water, which means I got a brand new trolling motor that I didn't even get to try out. So decisions. All right, guys, see you on the next episode. Peace out.